Hey, Dad.
Yeah, sweetie.
I'm supposed to tell a joke tomorrow at school. What's a clean joke?
What's a clean joke?
Yeah.
About what you did with your room the other day. Hotter than a toasted Caesar today. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Dan Nader channel. As you can see, I am decked out in super clean merchandise. That is because they have sponsored today's video. A while back, they got in touch with me and asked me if I'd be interested in trying out some of their products in my videos, and I happily agreed. So today's video is going to be a demonstration of the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. This is simply the best product I have ever used on any of my vehicles to rid myself of that nasty caked-on brake dust. But don't just take my word for it. We'll let the product speak for itself. But before we get started, we're going to be doing a giveaway. I've got a Super Clean hat and a Super Clean t-shirt, so stay tuned for details on how to win. But for right now, let's go get this wheel super clean. This is the wheel that we're going to be cleaning today, and you can tell there is a lot of brake dust on this rim. You can see that in the crevices, it is really baked on. And I've used other products, I'm telling you, from auto parts stores, discount stores, whatever. I found that just about any kind of wheel cleaner can get rid of like the loose and light brake dust stuff, but that real baked on, caked on stuff, you really have to scrub. And I'm telling you, I have never been able to get it to come off. So we're gonna go ahead and try this, and I'll show you just how well this cleaner works on getting off that hard, stuck on brake dust. All right, before we get started, let's take a look at the instructions. It says clean one wheel at a time, rinse wheel thoroughly with cold water, coat wheel surface with Super Clean all-wheel cleaner from 6 inches away, allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. For extremely dirty wheels, agitate with a soft brush or sponge, rinse thoroughly, and then dry with a soft clean towel to prevent water spots. Spider webs out of there. All right, so that's set for about a minute. Just using this soft cotton shirt to help kind of scrub that cleaner. See how well that stuff just dissolves that really stuck on brake dust. This rim was what was on the front of my 97 Camaro RS, and I did not have the best brake pads on this thing. Just some El Cheapo stuff from the parts store, and so they were extremely dusty. And I'm gonna tell you, it was always a fight keeping this front wheel clean because of how badly those cheap brake pads created dust. This will be the true test right here around the valve stem. Oh, look at that, just wipes off with a little bit of pressure. And the difference right now is unreal. Like right down in these corners, I was never able to really get these completely clean until now. I may have to give this little section right here maybe another little coat, but for the most part, it came clean. I'm satisfied with how that turned out. Wow. Look at that before and after difference. Unbelievable. Put this right down in here and around the valve stem. This is the cleanest that it's ever been since I've owned this wheel. There are a couple of spots that I definitely want to hit again, but for as bad as this wheel was, just one application, one scrubbing, and a rinse, it nearly looks like a brand new rim. And to me, the product absolutely speaks for itself. All right, I got it all sprayed down. We're gonna give it one more scrub to get the last of the very stubborn stuck-on spots. So we've seen how well Super Clean works on the rim. Let's see how well it works on the rubber of the tire. You can see that it's pretty browned with brake dust as well. I decided to go after this one more time with the wheel cleaner on the rubber, because when it dried I could see that I missed quite a few spots with the scrub brush. So anyway, I'll try this again. So it did a pretty decent job of getting the brake dust off the tire. I will say it's definitely not the same type of material than the rim, because the tire is a little bit porous and it's old, and of course it's rubber. And the tire's made out of petroleum, so it kind of seeps, so it doesn't stay black for very long. The tires tend to discolor over time. So to get the tire to be a little bit more of a rich black color, I'm going to spray some of this Brand X tire shine on here. So putting that tire shine on there helped richen the color of the tire. Definitely the brake dust is gone because of the cleaner. Yeah, that didn't take very long to clean that wheel up, maybe 25 minutes, and it looks like a brand new tire. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean the barrel of this rim. Look at all the baked on brake dust on the inside of this thing. So let's get the barrel of this rim looking super clean. I gotta tell you, the inside of this barrel has probably never been cleaned. I certainly have never cleaned it. So, wow. This stuff has been baked on for 120,000 miles. I'm definitely gonna have to put some elbow grease into this, because it is really caked on. And as you can tell, for the most part, it's just wiping right off. I'm sure if I use some sort of a pressure washer, it probably would get this completely off with very minimal scrubbing. But you can see me lightly scrubbing is doing a fantastic job. So persistence would have to pay off with this. I'd have to scrub on this for quite a while, but if there was some sort of mechanical advantage, you know, that would make this go a lot quicker for sure. If you had a set of rims that you're wanting to sell that you didn't want anymore and they were kind of dingy, if you use some of this Super Clean all-wheel cleaner, you can get those things looking brand new and probably get a better price for your tires and wheels if they look brand new. So I will say I am thoroughly impressed with the way that the Super Clean worked on this heavy brake dust tire. That I'm just gonna go ahead and say it, I'll never buy another product. That is the best I've ever used. But I'm not gonna stop here. I'm gonna give you one more demonstration on a wheel that's really dirty for a whole nother reason. All right guys, before we move on to the next demonstration, let's talk about the giveaway. So if you want to enter for a chance to win the super cool, super clean t-shirt and ball cap, you just simply need to be a subscriber to the Daninator channel, follow me on Instagram, find this photo, give it a caption, and the best caption will win. And the winner will be notified via Instagram Messenger. And while you're on the gram, go ahead and look up Super Clean's Instagram page and give them a follow as well. Thanks again to Super Clean for supplying this giveaway. And may the best caption win. Okay, for our next demonstration, take a look at this wheel. This is our daily driver. And we live on a gravel road. We've got a lot of road dust plus brake dust on this rim. And for right now, it looks like it's got kind of like a charcoal paint job on it. This is supposed to be a bright aluminum wheel, and it's looking really dingy. So let's get the Super Clean all wheel cleaner out and see what it can do for this nasty, dusty wheel. With being in the sun like this, it's kind of causing the cleaner to dry pretty quickly. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and I'm gonna have to spray this again. The wheel does have defects. The clear coat's kind of coming up, and so there's some brake dust underneath the clear coat, and there's really no way I'm gonna get that out. All right, not too shabby. We'll give this some time to dry. All right, so it's had time to dry, and boy, oh boy, does that look fantastic. This tire isn't nearly as old as a Camaro tire, so it doesn't have quite the discoloration, but you can tell that Super Clean did a fantastic job of getting that brake dust and road dust off of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with a little bit of Brand X tire shine, and we'll get the rubber looking really good. It only took me about maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and it looks fantastic. All right, guys, what can I say? But the results speak for themselves. Super Clean all wheel cleaner is a legit wheel cleaning solution. I can quite honestly say that I am very impressed with this wheel cleaner. I have tried other brands, and they just couldn't get that heavy, baked on, stuck brake dust that was in the crevices around the valve stem. This stuff just melted it all the way. I will never buy a different product. This is my go-to wheel cleaner now. So having said that, check out superclean.com, check out their whole line of products, check out the 50% off rebate they've got going on right now. It's a super deal. It's basically 2 for the price of 1, so check it out. As of this recording, it's still available on their website, so get you a super deal on some Super Clean. All right, and don't forget about the giveaway. Go to my Instagram, again, caption this photo. The best caption is going to win a Super Clean t-shirt and a hat, and again, the winner will be notified via DM on Instagram. Well, I want to thank Super Clean again for sending me their products to try out on my vehicles. I will have a couple more videos coming, so be on the lookout for that. And again, thanks for sending me the t-shirt and hat to give away to the Dana Nation. Well, I've got nothing more to say than I highly recommend the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. Pick you some up today. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure and hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time. America.